Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
During the pregnancy, what can you do? So I have realized that it is strange for men, no, because the mother is actually connected to the baby. It's easier for the mother to connect with the baby. So what can a man do? Poor man, doesn't feel supported enough, and there isn't, to be very honest, spaces for a man to know how to be a father. And now
Right.
this age especially, um पहले के बाप में भी they weren't connected as much. They
Right.
were busy
Yeah.
earning the money because the times were very different. Now everybody, by God's grace, is abundant and has every kind of tools that they need to have a blessed life.
Right.
But small little practices you can do. You can start reading to your baby. So every night, maybe you can light a candle in the room. You and your wife can relax. You can start reading to your baby. You can start talking to your baby so your baby can listen to you. Actually, after 16 weeks, your baby develops this auditory capacity and is able to hear and grasp everything. So start reading to the baby. You can take care of the emotional and physical well-being of your partner, because each and every thought that your wife is thinking is actually going to your baby. So ensure that you have like a stress-free environment, and you are nurturing your wife as much as possible. So these are two key things that I would like to talk about. And the third very very important thing is education. A man should understand the entire physiology of birth. What happens to my wife or my child during the first trimester, what is happening to her body physically and mentally, what are hormones happening in the second trimester and the third trimester. So educating yourself as much as possible about pregnancy will make you feel empowered, right? If you're going to a doctor's appointment, you will be able to have those conversations and not feel like a left out person ki, oh, I don't know what my role here is. And the third thing, in terms of education, is very very important, is to understand, and it's not just for the man but for the couple, is what is going to happen during childbirth.
Right.
What are the stages of labor, how the hormones behave during labor, how you can support your wife. So maybe you both can start doing some yoga together. These days there's a trend that a lot of women are doing yoga. But what if the partner joins? The woman will also feel more supported, and it is really really helpful for the man also to have certain kind of practices, because postpartum, not just the woman has postpartum issues, but the men also go
Yes.
through postpartum blues.
Absolutely.
So ensure that you are also taken care of. So just these small little practices of education, supporting your wife as much as you can, and talking to your baby is something very beautiful and simple that you can do to actually emotionally connect with the child. Because when the child will be born, he or she will listen to your voice and will feel secure, more secure in your presence. Because this is the child, this is maybe the man who has been, you can maybe massage your wife's belly, you can do that. It is such a simple and pure form of connection that you can do for your partner and for your baby.